a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Y'all, so I obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Beauty Forever Caramel Honey Highlight Hair 5x5 HD lace wig. It's in the color blonde brown straight wig, human hair, 180% density. So that was the name of it, child. All of that was the name. So it says this unit is 180% density. It says stretched length, and this unit does come as a straight texture wig despite the curls that you see. I just kind of wanted to show you guys that you can curl this unit if need be. The stretch length of this wig is 16 to 26 inches, and all of those are even numbers. I'm not 100% sure at the length that they sent me, but judging at where it stops on me, I'm gonna say it's 24 to 26 inches because I am 5'4". So I'm looking on here trying to see if I can find any more details about the unit. Okay, so they have on their brand Beauty Forever. Hair color is TL412. The hair length is 16 to 28 inches as mentioned. The hair weight is gonna be 145 to 250 grams. That just depends on the length that you get. It says the cap construction is a 5x5 HD lace wig. Okay. The cap size is average, which is 22 to 22.5, and it says slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless baby hair around transparent lace. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, this unit did, as I stated, come as a straight wig, and I did decide to curl it up some, just some loose curls, nothing like crazy, and I literally just did that while sitting here. I just wanted some sort of loose sort of waves in it. That was just purely for me and you guys to kind of see that you can curl this wig and you don't have to wear it straight. I know that can be an issue for a lot of you guys. As far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any so far. That's not to say at some point that it won't, because it is a colored wig, and in my opinion, the colored units that I always have, they always shed at least a little bit. This one hasn't shedded so far, but like I said, that doesn't mean at some point it won't. But as far as it being a straight textured wig, for the most part, my straight wigs do not shed, especially if they don't have any color. So that part wasn't surprising. It was just the fact that it was colored, honey. I was like, well, where's the shedding? Okay, shout out to you, Beauty Forever. You coming through with the come through, girl. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as those details. As far as the cap size, I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. I adjusted the straps and it fits perfectly. So I do consider it to be more so on the big head friendly side than not. And as far as the lace, I do think it is transparent lace. I have gone outside. It's definitely not brown lace. Looks like they did bleach it some. So it's really nice in my opinion. So shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for that. And and it is a closure, and you guys know how I feel about a closure, girl. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about it, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue watching. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am feeling this wig a lot more than I thought I would be. Now, I always love units that are this color, but as you guys know, I am not always a fan of straight hair. I do feel like everybody needs at least one straight wig in your closet, girl, but straight hair, I have a very round face, and sometimes straight hair can make it look even rounder, okay? So I kind of don't just, it's not, I don't go for straight texture in general. I feel like you have to have a certain face for straight hair. Straight hair looks great on certain people, but I do feel like you need at least one straight unit. So I wasn't like, oh my God, I'm so excited. And then I found out that it was a closure, girl. When I found out it was a closure, on top of the color, and me just saying to myself, girl, you can curl it. Let's see if she holds a curl. So once I did that, I was in love. And from there, I am obsessed with the unit. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love that it was pre-tweezed. I love how the baby hairs came out. I love how it was minimum work. Okay, that is always my go-to. Okay, I be needing minimum work because I have things to do, honey, people to see. So yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig a lot more than I thought I would be. So yeah, shout out to you, Beauty Forever, honey. Okay, you came through with the comforter. So yeah, I am feeling it. I do feel like you can wear this sort of color because I know if any of you are like me, and a lot of you guys are Virgo, and we can be a little anal. Okay, we can be a little anal. So if y'all are like me and you only like to wear certain colors during certain seasons, I know you kind of can be taken aback with blonde in the fall. But let me tell you, honey, because it has that brown in there, and it's just like brown mixed with the 613-ish or whatever it is, child. To me, it still makes it fall friendly. Like, it's not completely blonde, it just has like the blonde highlights thrown in there, and I love that for me. I love that for us, even in the fall time. So yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig. I think it's a look, I think it's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's a vibe. Let me know if you are feeling it. Let me know down below in the comments, honey. I am interested to find out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And just keep in mind, y'all, that I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, once again, I am feeling this unit. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in copping this wig, honey, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.